What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a shortcut in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome. It doesn't matter what website you're on, whether it's Google, YouTube or any other website. The first step is to look at the top of the screen, where you will see the tabs. You should see this little plus icon that says New Tab when you hover over it. Click on this icon to open a new tab. In the new tab, you'll see an option in the middle of the screen that says Add a Shortcut. Click on this option. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the name and URL of the shortcut you want to create. For instance, if you want to create a shortcut to go to your YouTube channel, type the channel name in the first field. Next, you need to enter the URL of the channel. Go to the YouTube channel page you want to create a shortcut for. Copy the URL from the address bar, and then paste it into the URL field in the shortcut window. You could type it in manually, but copying and pasting is much quicker and reduces the chance of errors. Once you've entered the name and URL, click Done in the middle of the screen. Your new shortcut should now appear in the new tab page. You can test it by clicking on the shortcut, which should take you directly to the site you specified. By following these steps, you can easily add shortcuts in Google Chrome, making it quicker to access your favorite sites. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.